Hello. So in the last session we have seen the question number 1 of exercise 8.4 of trigonometry. Now we are going to see the example number 2, that is question number 2. The question number 2 is same as that of question number 1, that we have to express other trigonometric function in terms of secA. So write all other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of secA. So we have to relate the different trigonometric function in terms of secA. So first we'll see cos and sec. We already know cos and sec are nothing but reciprocal of each other, so we can directly write here is cos. So first we'll write for cos. So since we know that cos A will be equals to 1 upon sec A. So this is the first trigonometric relation, that is cos A equals to 1 upon sec A. Now next we'll go for sin A in terms of sec A. So we know the relation between sin and cos. There is one identity that we have already studied. So in the place of cos, now I can write 1 upon sec. So we'll use that identity. That identity was sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So we'll use that identity, that sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. Now it will be sin square A plus what is cos square A? In the place of cos, can I write 1 upon sec? So here I can write sec square A is equals to 1. Since we know that cos A is equals to 1 upon sec A. That is sec A. Now therefore sin square A is equals to, we'll shift sec term on that side, so it will be 1 minus 1 upon sec square A. So do the cross multiplication, so it will be sec square A minus 1 divided by sec square A. So it will be sin square A is equals to sec square A minus 1 upon sec square A. Now so we'll take the square root on both the sides because we want sin A. So taking square root, if you take square root on both the sides, so it will become sin square A will become sin A is equals to, so this is not a whole perfect square root value, so it will be in a root as it is, so it will be sec square A minus 1 divided by the square root value of sec square A will be sec A. So this is the relation between sin and sec. So sin A is equals to root sec square A minus 1 upon sec A. So we have established the relation between cos and sec and the sin and sec. Now next we are going to see, if we got the sin, we can get the cosec also. So what will be cosec in terms of sec? So we'll just take the reciprocal of this. So I'll rub this. Now as we know that, since we know that cosec A is 1 upon sin A. Cosec A is 1 upon sin A. So we'll get cosec A in terms of sec A will be what? Sin A is what? Root of this. So 1 upon sin A is root of sec square A minus 1 divided by sec A. So it will become sec A divided by root of sec square A minus 1. So this is cosec A in terms of sec A. So if we get sin A, we can get the cosec A also. So this is the relation between cosec and sec. So you can write this sin and cosec. Now we'll go for tan. So for tan and sec, we already know one identity, the relation between sec and tan. So I'll rub this. As we have seen that 1 plus one identity, 1 plus tan square A is equals to sec square A. So what will be then tan square A is equals to, I'll shift here, so it will be sec square A minus 1. Now we'll take the square root, what we'll get here is tan A is equals to, this is not a perfect square root value, so it will be in the square root only, so sec square A minus 1. So this is the relation between tan A and sec A. So we have already studied this identity, so that relates sec and tan. Now we have to also express the next identity, that is cot. So already we have studied that cot and tan are reciprocal of each other. So cot A is nothing but 1 upon tan A. So if tan A is equal to this, so cot A will be what? 1 upon root of tan square A minus 1. So that is cot A in terms of sec A, and this is tan A in terms of sec A. So this is how we can relate the relation between different trigonometric ratio with sec A. So now in the next session we are going to see the next sum, that is sum number 3. So till then practice first question and second question and get thorough with that two sums. So in the next session we are going to see the question number 3. Till then, all the best. Thank you.